Hello everybody, it's time for window cleaning for 2024. This year's mixture, of course, I'll have that Easy Glide glass cleaner. Always add a little squirt of dishwashing detergent. Had just a splash of lemon ammonia in this bottle I wanted to get rid of, so that went in. And then I've got some vintage spick and span with phosphates, and that I put a sprinkle or two of that in there. So we'll mix all that up in the 5-gallon bucket and clean some windows. I will do like I normally do, set up on the time-lapse on a tripod, and we'll just go to town and get these windows cleaned. Start across the back. I've got that much shadow. As the sun rises and goes to the west, I'll get the west side of the house done first, and then I'll move on to the east side and then finish up with the south side when the sun kind of goes down a little bit this evening. But we'll get the windows cleaned today. In the previous part I had already pressure washed, so everything's looking pretty good. I gotta hang everything back up, do a little touch-up painting yet, but for now this video is about window washing, so that's what we're going to focus on. Time to get started. The first window here at the kitchen I'll do in real time, and then I'll set the time lapse up and we'll get cranking on the rest of the windows. Start out with the spray of the window cleaner. LA's Totally Awesome, which may or may not be mixed with the national leading brand, because that's what I had. There we go. So I mixed up a little of that spick and span so I can scrub this bottom edge here, and look how well that works. Well, now that the pre-cleaning's done, let's get started. It's got that familiar smell to it. This caulking's always filthy. But we're all hands on deck to get it done. And then one more wash for a good time. Got a little extra dirt up there. Don't know where that came from. Now that's looking better. These are not the easiest windows to clean, that's for sure. We'll go ahead and get the screen while I'm here. And all good.